Okay, Keisuche, everyone would like to show you how we can operate the RStudio. So follow me. Let's enter the RStudio in the browser. After everything, let's go for the main page. Now updating more. Okay, download. I will put the installation link in the commentaries, so don't worry. Now we download RStudio desktop for Windows. Save it on our PC, and now let's wait until it's done. Now let's set the scene. Okay. The RStudio is running. I need to close the date. Okay, now let's go to the installation once again. Have to find it. Okay, not really what I wanted to see. Display capture. I don't know how I can make this. Oh, you know what? I think I can. Okay, this and I want only this part right here. Okay. Okay, so basically we have downloaded the RStudio. Now we can open it, accept, and now we go through the installation process. Right here, you can see the window. Okay, next, install, and we have to wait. Only wait, nothing more. I will tell you when it's done. Okay, I'm pretty sure that installation is now finished, so we can close the setup, and let's see, are we done? I will type in RStudio, and we're done. As you can see, I have some project here, but it doesn't matter, it is working. As you can see, I will set the new project. Haha. Okay, never mind, but we're ready to do anything. Hope you liked it. It is pretty simple, as you can see. See you next time.